What is up guys, my name is Chase and welcome back to another one of these vault videos where I do more like candid stuff. If you want to see more of like my real content, feel free to head on over to youtube.com/chaseyama. Anyway, for today's video, I recently picked up a 16-inch MacBook Pro. If you guys missed that, I did an unboxing video over on the main channel. And I got it for a really good deal, I'm not gonna lie. But at the same time, I still want to protect this computer with my life because it was not cheap at all. So I picked up some new accessories over here. These are mostly like protection accessories, I guess. So this is what this video is gonna be. I just wanted to kind of walk you guys through some of the new like accessories that I picked up for my MacBook Pro. Of course, these are courtesy of Amazon. You gotta love Amazon. I don't even know where to start. So first off here, I got myself a hardshell case. Yeah, it's a clear hardshell case for the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It looks like someone, I wonder if this came used. I'm not gonna lie. This seems like it was opened or something. Amazon, hit me up, because this kind of looks a little janky. We also have this glass screen protector. I started using tempered glass screen protectors with my iPhone and I honestly started to love them. I guess we'll start with the screen protector. So I am a little bit worried because I did read the reviews about this tempered glass screen protector, and some people were saying that it's very reflective. As long as it's not more reflective than the screen is now, like I'm not expecting this screen protector to add any like less reflectiveness. As long as it doesn't make it more reflective, then I'll be fine. All right, we have some cloth, we have some instruction manual. Opening this up, it opens like a book. I love that. All right, here's the actual screen protector. Oh boy, I'm scared. Wow, this is really high quality, not gonna lie. It's SpyGen, I believe, SpyGen. Step 1, apply the case to the phone. Oh, it comes with the phone instructions. I did see that on the Amazon reviews. A lot of people said that. It comes with the phone instructions. It doesn't come with like special instructions for a MacBook. So I guess we'll just kind of disregard that. Not throw away, use to remove dust before installing. Okay. All right, we'll just kind of do this for a little bit. To be honest, it doesn't have to be like perfect. Let's, I guess, use this cloth now. Kind of wipe around the edges. Wipe down our screen. I mean, that looks pretty dang good. It looks like pretty much like spotless. As I'm saying that, I'm like spitting all over the screen. We're gonna now, gosh, this is the scary part. I'm gonna attempt to apply this giant screen protector. This thing is huge. All right. Gosh, we have one chance at this too. There's only one screen protector. Oh man, it like barely fits. Holy cannoli. Oh man, we gotta do this perfect, it looks like. All right, it like barely fits on here. Well, here we go. One chance. Gosh, I'm so nervous. So nervous about screwing this up. Nope, that's not right. Gosh, how do I do this even? All right. I think that's about as, oh no, it's not perfect. Oh no, please don't have already stuck to it. Oh no, it did. All right. I can see it's a little bit off, but I think I might just have to deal with that. It's like a tiny bit off. Oh no, that's not good. Wait, can I have a second chance, please? Can I please get a second chance here? Oh no. Oh no, all right, whatever. We will deal with it. I will say that the screen, it looks a little bit different. I can't pinpoint it exactly, but the screen protector does make it look a little different. It almost looks a little bit lower quality, not gonna lie. Okay, in any case, that was the screen protector. Now let's move on to the case. We still have to put on the case. You thought we were done with this video after the screen protector, but nope. We still gotta do the case. So this comes with, oh, this also comes with a screen protector. I'm not going to use it because I think it's plastic. And it does have one of these little keyboard covers, which I've honestly never used. I don't think I'm going to use it. I'm not a big fan of these type of things. And then here's the actual case itself. Okay. We have some instructions on the back. Gosh, it's a tight fit, which is actually good. Nice. Okay, I think we got it. There's the top. Oh no, there's a hair in there. No. Are you kidding? Oh gosh, I'm so scared of breaking this MacBook. Okay, it comes off. It comes off. We can get this off. Ouch. I just cut myself. Ouch, I cut myself real deep there. Jeez, that's a deep cut. Ouch. So careful, guys. This thing is sharp. Alright. Ah, man, I'm bleeding. Gosh darn it, I'm bleeding. That sucks. The show must go on, though. Okay. Take two. Let's do the bottom part now. Okay. I believe it goes this way. Confirmed. We have it the right way. Oh no. There's a piece of plastic still in here. Huh. The bottom is a bit of a looser fit than the top. I don't know what I think about that. Oh gosh. Oof. And it does add a little bit of heft to it, which I guess is a good thing. Alright, I think that's pretty much all we have to do. We are pretty much good to go. So we have our new MacBook Pro all set up and looking sharp, looking safe especially. That's the best part of this, is that now my MacBook Pro will be extremely, extremely safe. Alright, and it only cost cutting my finger open, so that's cool. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of my candid videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, all that stuff. Also feel free to check out the main channel, youtube.com/chaseyama. I don't know, sorry if this is boring. This is the vault where I upload like a bunch of more just raw videos for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye guys.